It's a great honor to be in front of Dr. Sharif tonight because I graduated from his mentor. Thank you, Dr. Ayman. Thank you, everyone. This is Bassem Nassif. I'm the founder and the CEO of Notchnco. We're actually focusing on, we're a tech startup focusing on customer experience and commerce. And we're here to share with you our disruptive solution for our customers. We started in Q2 2020. And we managed to look into a very fast yet engaging and personalized level of services. We understand that the pain tonight is mainly about the businesses that lack the way of communication over chatting and conversation, while we noted that 7 out of 10 people actually prefers to text more than calling the businesses, so instead of staying on the line. The opportunity is very obvious that we have 200 million users for WhatsApp services in the region, in the MENA, 21% out of them only in Egypt, where we're crossing the 42 million of it. So we decided to build our conversational products to serve our partners and customers by building 4 platforms in a CPaaS model, where the first one is Notchbot, where we have the conversation designed on it, Notchcast, where we started to use it in terms of transactional messages and OTP, and we have, of course, live agent support in case of any escalation to human. And fourthly, our latest platform for notch payments, where we integrate with any PSP having license from the CBE. So we managed to be an agnostic vendor, where we integrated with Avaya, Cisco, SAP, and Zoho, Salesforce for sure, and local banks as well as fintechs. The opportunity is huge, as I mentioned. Market size in 21 for the global outsourcing market is 250 billion. We're expecting to be doubled by 27. In Egypt only, we have managed to look into 3.2 billion in 21 invested in call center businesses. This is going to be the use cases where we started to develop to our customers since 18 months back. First customer was Buffalo Burger. We managed to allow our customers for Buffalo Burger to order their menu and everything about the food and beverage there via WhatsApp. Use case 2, where the real estate is one of the biggest chunk in terms of our monthly income. We develop lead generation platforms via WhatsApp, where we integrate with their social commerce. We have the great model of replica from Uber and Careem, where you can order your cab over WhatsApp by sharing location, drop off, and pickup. We have also created this MPS tool for brands to actually get feedback from their end users via WhatsApp, and you can see, obviously, the menu, how easy it is to give feedback for your brand. And lately, since Dr. Sharif mentioned the sustainability, we started to create an e-cards around, instead of plastic card for loyalty, we have a virtual card where you have a barcode automated with your name captured and fetched from WhatsApp tools. Our famous use case that happened in the last summer, we managed to do more than 180 events last summer, sending WhatsApp invitation, including QR codes, where you can scan the QR codes at the gate, and automatically you have a seamless check-in. WhatsApp Commerce is our latest invention, which comes from WhatsApp APIs and Meta APIs released in last September. We managed to have a great proposition with value, so you can actually order a phone, a device where you pick the brand, the name, everything, like the storage, the color, and you manage to get a payment link from any payment provider like PayTabs, PayMob, and get it done. We're a SaaS model, so we're focusing in the last 18 months only on the enterprise pack, and this is our commercials on it. Small, medium enterprises launching in 23, and we have a marketplace that's going to be by end of 23. This is our traction roadmap since inception. From a problem-solution fit, we have a very few trials that made it very successful and made us very comfortable to launch the rest. Product development across Q1, Q3 in 21, and the rest goes on up to last Q when we launched our notch payments. This is our traction performance. Since the last 18 months, we managed to accumulate revenues around 625,000 USD. And the main thing that we crossed the 10 million conversation between the users and the brands over our platform, as well as we have more than 75 enterprise accounts registered, contracted on our platform. We're a positive cash flow company since last Feb, and we managed to have this as a solid proposition in the market. This is our funding ask for tonight. We're looking for 750,000 USD to give us 3 million ARR in the next 2 years, and this is our KPIs for the next 2 years. We're looking for a 10x growth, focusing on conversations and onboarded clients. This is our competition landscape in terms of international competition and local competition. We're very lucky to have this kind of devaluation market because all our registration and fees now is paid in EGP, so we're not impacted much. On the contrary, it gives us an edge over competition coming from international brands. This is our wall of fame. These are all contracted logos onboarded on our platforms, and they are enjoying the service, and since inception, no one of them churned till now. This is our great team coming from different backgrounds, focusing on ICT, telecom backgrounds. We've been working together for the last at least 7, 8 years. We managed to have a very successful project in the launch. This is our latest prizes for this year. Innovation from Tatweer Masr, #1 award. Huawei, we got the 2nd award for being one of their Spark program, launched this year in Q4. And lately, we're #1 company going from Africa, from Egypt, Africa, to be part of the Africa Fast 100. This is coverage for our latest PRs from Tatweer Masr and WhatsApp Commerce with Value and Pay tabs. Thank you.